name is Lambert Nyamutiasi. I am the Peace Elder Builder. My name is David Peku. I am the Peace First.
My name is Rejanaya Opesi. I am. My name is Dr. Andoku. Please, I am we represented a small play on tuberculosis control and management. Thank you.
Oh, we said what? That's right. Nice performance. My name is Brother Mike. I am the Profis MC. And this was your name, MC. My name is Profis. But Profis what? Yes. Okay. That's right. So that was a beautiful drama or a role play on tuberculosis. The last time you are around, now you are It's but I'm a yet I am for a dancer. Our can stand on your feet. The name will play. You put in the hand, you get that we get. Come on, you say, we have to the thing they are not going to answer. The more you look from all you get, when you follow, because the year the come of year is a high play. Which is a I don't know. And what I tell you, what now? Money down. You will never say, Mammy, or be a modella. When you are almost around me, but I want you to do it. Daddy. But I want to go to my time, I got Ocean. He will play money. And then, oh, what's your name? You come here for a second, man. Yes, smart. Come on. You could be a man of that work today. And I'm going to come and with you. Mama, the first. Good morning. Mandela. And I'm going to catch you here. You never so much here. So, I don't want to the higher way of our own, all your work in your name. You will teach our bread. Now, when you are about power speech, not one who can do that. There is a man. The man will say that if you say, I don't know at the moment, not in a swim and then a call of Zulu, and I get a call and then I about the room as they are only having a lesson. You see, more than you know what's in the ever. Not a woman never could have for hospital and then TV, the two letters I said. Never I said. And the man is playing full of honor, whatever. You get someone else, what the guy don't want you to. Now, the two success, the new honorable member of parliament, or a MP for a constituency. Now, I'm saying to a colleague, the two from that, it's the nature of two people, so there one ground. It's whatever is the more essential. Honorable Percy Hansen, Honorable Koshi Anaman, now Honorable Shaibu Fanda. They are here to represent the MP and the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. No. I'm sorry. Everybody can edit. It's just here.
ama nana ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛne yɛ maame ɔahema ɛne ne nuanom a ɔwɔ ha ɛsan so de nkyɛn kɛseɛ ɛma edwamtieni a ɔte n'akɔnnwa mu nana akyɛbule nana ɛsan so yɛ nuafoɔ a ɔwɔ ha ɛne mo a ana mo so bɔ ne ti saa dwumadie ɛne adesua de kɛseɛ akɔ so egyina ha ɛwɔ onimnyamfoɔ Emmanuel Amaboa anan mu ɛnfɛ sɛ yɛba yɛ district ha dwumadie biara ɛfa no ahomasua biara ho no ɛyɛ na yɛyɛ a yɛyi ne mfu no yɛde ne ka ho sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi awie pɛyɛ na mɛhwɛ kame bere no na adesua a yɛnya firi saa nneɛma ɛte saa mu no ɛkɔ ama saa yare bi a ɛkyerɛ yɛ aka bi a yɛwu kwan yɛbɛtumi afa so asɔ n'ano no ɛbɛyɛ ano yɛsɔ ano ntɛmtɛmtɛm yɛwɔ yare bi wɔ hɔ a ɛka tuberculosis ho a ɛka hɔ a onipa bá hɔ soro na wɔwu kɔ malaria ɛne yare bi akɛse ɛte saa na abusuafoɔ ɛno no sɛ yɛnya ɔmo yɛ health personnel na yɛamfa saa adesua nteteyɛ no ankɔ yɛ various communities a ebi kura to yɛ kura na yɛade yɛ sɛ obi kura na ato yɛ ekuro eti yɛn no bɛ ɛwɔ so na nipa no efuru kɔ ɛnipa de nkyɛn kura so no yɛapɛ drama ɛde aka ho akyerɛ awofo no ma ɔmo ahom sɛ ebi so sisi a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ho kwan a ɔmo bɛtumi afa so a yɛbɛpɛ ayaresa yɛde ama saa situation ɛna yɛte yɛ deɛ yɛn mu siesie ne sɛ yɛn ho sukuufoɔ ɛne nkurɔfoɔ bebree ɛwɔ ha yɛhwɛ ɔmo yɛ drama na ebi kura ma bɛyɛ lomɔdɔ ɛde ama mo mpanyinfoɔ a mo de saa dwumadie kɛseɛ aba ha mmiri mu no na deɛ ɔbɔ ne di no ɔhyɛ nurse atadeɛ green no ekyia maame nurse good afternoon ɛma deɛ nso ɔyɛ nurse mɛni baa mi hɔ so na ɔmo yɛ drama no ho it is one of those programs na it inspires nkwadaa na ɔmo wɔ ha mo sɛ actually kura no ɔmo kura bɛtumi abɛyɛ health personnel a ɔmo bɛtumi ama saa adesua ne apɔmuden no ɛwɔ the various communities ɛmo deɛ ɛbɛsɛ mo ne sɛ wei no na yɛyɛ mperesoni na mmiri na wɔsere kɔ no na ɛyɛ ade a ɛwɔ hɔ paa yɛafɔ saa kwan no so atete akyerɛ esua nneɛma bebree fi yare a ɛka wɔ a yɛpɛ ano yi ne anoresa dɛntɛm yɛde ma no na deɛ ɛbɛsɛ mo ne sɛ ɛma yɛ nso hɔ pɛ ɛma yɛ ma ɛnyɛ ɛnnɛ pɛ yɛbɛte ane sɛ bi a the next time na yɛakɔ the various community another time may I another community, another time may I another community. By the time they know they are also now, your father, your mama, no, your papa, any young one, any prayer, send me size here, getting ya and a soft and your master. I don't know. They are your prayer this year, and don't answer. You say, Nana so at them for them and I'm not telling you. Yet this I can let them walk and see more. Ọmọ di adansi ẹsẹ kwan biara yẹn nyinaa yẹ hyia ti sẹ ọman na yẹdi ho pọmọ a ẹwọ sẹ ẹyẹ yẹn nyinaa yẹ asẹdeẹ sẹ yẹbẹbẹ sẹ biribi a ẹbẹboa na yàpọ ọmọdé ẹbẹwie pẹyẹ no ọmọ so ẹyẹ key players na yẹn yẹn nim sẹ wọbẹtumi ẹnyẹ saa ọmọdé no wọde ayẹ edwuma ẹti saa bia ẹbẹbọ kẹsẹ ẹyẹ sometimes the sort of funding. Sika to be paid them na various participation of some of these exercises no and so ya dey na the clear and person if you hear na ye be madam here na ye call education directorate and before omo ka omo tv na nothing happen ma na mpanyinfoɔ ne ɔmo wɔ ha yi na asɔre members mmienu ɛwɔ ha ɔmo so ɛbɛtumi aboa na dwumadie yɛ kɔ yɛn anim no etumi ayɛ kɛseɛ kora sen ɛnda a yɛayɛ no saa no na yɛyɛ no srɛ sɛ on behalf of honourable minister yɛgyina mu ɛde ama no na yɛde ahyɛ obiara kwan na yɛama obiara te sɛ ɛnda a ɔne ha no na foforɔ bi a mobɛyɛ dwumadie a te sɛ biara no biribi a ɔyɛ ban no ɔbɛgyae na ɔba bɛtae dwumadie no akyi sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔbɛwie kakra yɛde adi kakra ɛde ama ɛti yɛda mu nyinaa ase yɛaka wɔ akyire deɛ ɛno no yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ akyire wɔrega sɛ how personals no nti no yɛbayɛ a yɛgyina ɔyɛ honourable minister anan mu ɛne yɛdeɛ baako a yɛde ne baayɛ ne yɛada mu nyinaa ase ɛwɔ ntete ɛne adesua sonko a yɛde aboa ama yɛn mputuna mo ɛmu yɛ saa de yɛda mo ase.
Nso minister nefa akɔnya wɔ ebu na adan mpanyinfoɔ no ebu wɔba da represent honourable minister nti honourable Kofi Hansen kɔtɔrɔ wɔ ha ma nsɛm ɛyɛ ho that's right honourable Kofi Anaman honourable wɔ hɔ kan ɛna last honourable Shaibu Banda okay omiya nti wɔ represent member of parliament for Olomouc constituency that's right ɛna bi dwumadie kɔdo no. Janigas of honor. In fact, he is special. Or there, let's say, no so being massive. And boy, our man, or yet, and more district. Different women. I'm just a way share. The name administrator for LMLM, District Health Directorate, Madame Mary Peterson. Now, I'm going to introduce the guest of honor.
Now, before we table, and I got our races in your hand. No more now at Massy. I will take part what you may special guest of honor. And the Jumida using ordinary Passasem, River Brain, all by a little do. 80 been took our little one, which may now with the help of the throne, which we will see near the district assembly, district assembly, the coordinating director. But you will do one, but we will to learn and see deputy director in the person of Mr. David Majiti. Opacho, will give us a day. Madam Master.
Okay, almost a minute. If you want to know, I district administrator, Madam Mary Peterson. It's me because I'm a special guest of honor. Ansana, the special guest of honor, over the Senate, honorable member of parliament. One of the general was the opening of the Canada was happening. It's never also. It's yes, I want to look at them. No, it's not a new approach. It's a kind of how. MC, yes. I tell you, I and before I walk back to the yɛn mpanyinfo a wɔfɛ regional health directorate abɛka ɛnsa ɛwɔ ha ɛne ɛwɔ gu basekɛmɛ nyinaa wɔn nyinaa ha ɛsan ama wɔn akɔaba ɛde ba duro bi ase sɛdeɛ ɛyɛba hr ɛde tu da no ɛde David Majiti yɛ deputy director of administration ɛwɔ LMLM district assembly na nka yɛn coordinating director anapɛ yi na ɔsɛ nkɔka yɛn ho ha. Na sábà yẹ sáà sẹ yẹ máa pè ní ẹyẹ new DCs into directors and the also acting as district chief directors. Yẹ máa dúró yẹn adọ̀ ọ̀sán àgbà ètò ìdúró yẹ bí ẹ̀dínwó àpò ìbẹ̀. Ẹni tí ẹ̀ mẹ́fà tó kìlá nàlẹ́ ẹ̀ sẹ́ nàló bí ẹsẹ̀ bá ọ̀dọ̀ asọ́nà mi nù ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ mẹ́rin. Ètò mẹ́rin tí ẹ̀ máa with the permission I would like to proceed with the advent from the district coordinating director Mr.
Mohammed Al-Hassan. Now Chairman, Madam President, District Director of Health Services, Honorable Presiding Member the past one, and Assembly members present, our senior colleagues from the Regional Health Directorate, all heads of institutions, headmasters and teachers present, esteemed guests, healthcare workers, every group inhabitants, students, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be part of this World TB Day celebration, and I would like to commend the District Health Directorate and the Ghana Health Service for organizing this event. Today we gather to raise awareness about tuberculosis, a disease that has plagued humanity for centuries. Despite being preventable and treatable, TB remains a major public health concern, especially in low and middle income countries. In Ghana, TB is a significant health challenge, with thousands of new cases reported every year. The disease affects not only individuals, but families, communities, and the economy as a whole. The Anambra district has been seeing lesser numbers of TB than expected, but they improved this over the past years. And some of this improvement was due to the massive efforts made by the Anambra district health team, the National TB Control Program, and the Arrow Institute. In spite of this improvement, there are still a lot more people in our communities who will be suffering from TB, but have not been found and given medication. I am heightened to see that Ghana has made significant progress in the fight against TB. The country has strengthened its health systems, improved access to TB services, but we still have a long way. We need to intensify our efforts to find and treat all TB cases, especially those in hard-to-reach areas. We need to address the social determinants of TB, such as poverty, malnutrition, and poor living conditions. We also need to recognize the critical role that community members play in the fight against TB. We need to empower skills, resources to prevent TB Day. I urge all of you to join the fight against TB. Let us work together to create a TB-free world where everyone has access to quality health care and a healthy life. Again, let us remember that TB is a preventable and treatable disease. Let us remember also that every individual has the right to quality health care, regardless of their background or socio-economic status in society. To conclude, I would like to quote the theme of this year's World TB Day celebration. Yes, we can end TB. Commit, invest, deliver. Let us commit to ending TB, invest in the fight against TB, and deliver on our promise to create a TB-free world. The American may go to for TB. Say, Samawa, Adebia, have you back? Nakana, as for my boy, who wanted the bread, never go up. It's Samawa, the first net here to see apart from Kaka. In Ghana Health Service, and National TB Control here, Regional and Penport, Omo and I'm TB Apple. But say now from Slayer, before promotion, Patamwa. Yàrá ṣe wọ̀ na yẹ hu yẹ hu wọ́n yẹ ọ̀hún ẹ̀bùrù. Ìdísẹ́wìrì ẹ̀nẹ́ yẹ di ìwíásí nyinaa TB Day yìí. Yẹ nyinaa yẹ di create awareness. Sẹ yàrá ẹ̀fọ́ ní sàmàwá no, ẹ̀nẹ́ yàrá bí ekyikyí wọn náà kẹsẹ̀ wọ́n òwú wa no, ẹ̀hún ẹ̀pẹ̀ wọ̀ hɔ. Sẹ yẹ fún wọn náà wọ́n ẹ̀ntẹ̀ wọn. Ẹ̀ntì sẹ wọ́n ní wọ́n bí a wọ́n bẹ̀ẹ̀bi a ebi a wọ́n bí ọ̀hún wọn ẹ̀yà yẹ sẹ́ sàmàwá a. Yẹ nyinaa yẹ tó wọn fò na sábà ẹ̀dá wọn no ọmọ kọ họ na yẹ nhyɛ aseɛ ɛmpa ɛno ɛburo ɛmpa na ɔmo ɛnti no yɛ kiri sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛ bɛtumi aka yɛn ho dom na ya point ya samawa na yesi ano kra esa se ya yi pe chere be na mo me kan ti e ba Ghana ye nyina kan ye hu do mu ye prefer to be by say social distancing the focus na ye ti ba do no so ye try to see ye ti ye dem ye nyina efu mu akwa ye na ene Ghana e bi COVID-19 so nko ye wo ki ye se koso a eka ye hu do mu a ya ye ti bi so ɛdɛbi ɛsɛ ɔkùnrin ɛdɛbi ɛdɛbi yɛn ase sɛ mo di ebe ɛba ayɛ ɛyɛ nyina yɛn nta dwuma yɛn akyi na deɛ aka nyina nso no yɛn hwɛ na ebia ɛmɛ yɛ gbogbo ɛdɛbi yɛn si ɛdɛbi yɛn ase ɛwɔ akanya yɛn ma mi akanya bi thank you special guest ɛwɔ fún mi ɛdɛbi ɛsɛ ɛbɛ ma ɛdɛbi ɛsɛ ɛbɛ ma yɛn ɛsɛ fún wa. nti yɛn special guest ɛwɔ fún mi yɛ ato ne sɛ ɛbi ayɛ yɛn ma bi yɛn fa nkyɛn. So, the current president ban Florida, any times, any acting district manager, Miss Eddie Asylum, right, you are welcome, Miss. That's right. In particular, is in today, Facebook, all social media handles. There's a man to do. Since I have plateau is waiting from secondary, never is a volunteer share. The regional TV coordinator, national secretary, Mr. Lambert, and Command.
Another the high table, Namu, 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 we part of this. Let me give a quick scene to see my. That's my I want to be. When you said I'm not met, except at the beside my brain. I'm not had a record, I'm not a house. I'm the director of public affairs. I'm only nine in class. Now, I'm happy for you. I need to be said, and the day, and then I have you. Yeah, it's just happening. Oh, I think about it. They decide not to be. They will. It's not a get up to you. Okay, people, yeah, some of this. It's like an athlete before and the mind. And then the people that are some massive said they go to know. I was living now. My dear Papa, so about the animal. We have room now. It's so pretty. Let's see the arena in the course of mine every year. And I was at this order. I tell you, we are able na TV dey no the report of mine dey dey anything I dey say the report of mine the report of mine dey dey bia eye doctor any bia e pe no for the court na e dey man and I na see you pray na we pray na ko na Saturday I remember omo me go wa financial is fighting go you know Sada na odi tu gase odi na mo wana odi ti bi yare no ba Mycobacterium tuberculosis nti doctor of the report ye kan afia 1882 yare ataye na tu gase sa bo wi na ti bi yare no ati yare no odi pa na bi ti ejumu ba de le se si a more than organization, and to me, I'm glad. We are here. We go to India. Come on. Go to my plan. This is not I'm not to. When I'm already here with me. The very starting never see it in this man. I say, yes, we can enter. Invest. I'm back ahead. Commit. And deliver. The leadership I said, go out organization Ghana House Service. Let me just say at the end. I need to assign from now. We are also be also be. When you say, and yet, and the man said, really, one of the and I said, what this is up to my mind. We are will be also be. Session one. You see, what mean that is good. You cannot play. You say, you can't listen to it. You can listen to what TV yare ni yare aburu bebree nti ọha no ma ede ahoba eku obi ha da eku obeni pa na na kokori e ko ọhụrụ ede share na man no ani wese no ni ase aboko ebe pa aso akọ tie TV yare last year ani afie ke no ba e wese no na ede na no ba ya aso TV yàrá náà kò nọ TV náà nìyẹn ẹ lè di nàpá ọmọ mi yàrá TV nọ ibi yàrá àwọn ẹni náà bàbá sí ọmọ a pẹ̀lú náà sàbẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ ìlú mọ̀ wọ̀ ọmọ àgbẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹlẹ́mẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ̀pẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀sẹ̀ wọn àti ẹ̀kẹ́ wọn ìlú yìí lọ pàà ẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀dá mi yìí lójú ọmọ ẹ̀dá mi kí ògbó sí wọn ìfíṣọ̀ ọmọ yìí ọmọ ẹ̀sẹ̀ pọ̀ náà ọmọ yìí ọmọ biara wọn kọ lẹ́yìn àkẹsẹ ìgbéra ti di ẹ ọdún fún wa ọdún mu àti ẹgbẹ́ mu ẹgbẹ́ mu náà ṣe nkọ ẹ yẹ kẹ ti di àkànṣá ẹ bí mi ṣẹṣẹ kúta lọsẹ lójú ní ìta àti ní yẹ ẹsẹ lẹbi náà kọ fún ọdún ẹsẹ lẹbi náà wọn ìfẹ́ ẹ wọ ẹ ayé pa ẹ ẹ máa nọ ẹ yà kókò yẹ sílẹ̀ ẹ BCB rep ẹ ǹtí ẹ ṣe ẹhún kàn náà. TV yàrá yẹn lọba ọsọ abọbọ ọdọọdọ ọsẹtẹlẹ ẹbẹ yẹ afọmọ bìẹ ẹsẹsẹ nànánú ẹnna asambili nọ ẹbẹ yẹ afọmọ bìẹ bí o tún ní akọmẹtì ẹbùnìbá as team states ẹbí nọ ẹbẹ yẹ nọ yàrá yàrá sẹ ẹsẹ ẹnìmọ ẹbí yàrá yàrá bọ ọmọ ẹyẹ ẹbí ìfì ẹbí sọ nkà nọ ẹbẹ sẹ ẹnì kakra aba TV yàrá ní pẹlú àná obiara ẹbí sẹ ẹnì kakra aba TV mu ẹyẹ ẹbí ìfì. Nyinaa afọ so akọ sẹ yàrá ti ọsùn ẹ nyinaa se. Ẹmi yà bọ̀ ẹsẹ̀ lẹ́bi ẹ̀ máa ẹ̀ wá sí amdex ẹ̀ yẹ wà fún wa yẹn ẹ̀ kọ́ mi yẹ kúndà ntẹ́bẹ̀ nà bẹ́sẹ̀ mẹ́ta na jùmọ̀dé bí ọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀fúnẹ̀kẹ́ ìgbà ìtì àmì ẹ̀fún yẹn sáyẹ̀ fìyẹ̀ fìyẹ̀ tó nílùú kù nàdà fún ọba kàn yín lóge sí ọkọ̀ kẹ́yẹ bọ́ọ̀lì ẹ̀rù ẹ̀fọ́ gbogbo gidi nígbà tí ọjọ́ ìwé ti ní ẹgbẹ́ máa ọjọ́ ìwé ti ní ẹgbẹ́ máa yìí náà mọ̀ ọ́dá fún ẹ̀rù wọ́n ẹ̀rù wọ́n máa yẹ.
Yabala ngirima tutu na nembo nasa sinyabi directors kubana ko eden babo aba ibe ni kolesi ọba yìí àti ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ bùkún bẹ́ẹ̀ dúpọ̀ ẹ̀mí wọ́n òǹdè mọ́ nígbà ìsìn kéèkì náà ọ̀rẹ́ sísun ẹ̀wọ̀n náà ẹ̀kọ́ bá yẹrẹ mi à Isaiah chapter 4:6 ó say for lack of knowledge my people sometimes perish sa ẹ̀mí ìyẹ̀wò nínú ìwé à ọ̀yá ètò ìjàpẹ̀kú ẹ̀kọ́ bí ẹ̀rọ fẹ̀gbẹ̀ wọlé ọ̀fọ̀bìnà yẹn speak of grammar play by ear ẹ̀dá wọn ọ̀gbọ́n wọn kò gbọ́dọ̀ sẹ́ẹ̀tì kọ̀ọ̀kọ̀ rẹ̀ ẹ̀ka wọn ní àgbẹ̀kẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ yẹ bí ẹ̀họ́ ọ̀gbọ̀n so na bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ kẹ̀kẹ́ kí ọba àgbẹ̀lẹ̀ kẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́ni ní ìwé ni à ní ètò ìjàkẹ́sì nà ẹ̀ maame ẹ̀rọ ní tẹ̀kọ̀ sẹ ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀kọ́ dà fún à mọ̀ ọ̀yẹ́ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ̀ kẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀dùn àná ìyẹ̀lẹ̀ àlẹ́ ẹ̀ máa ẹ̀dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ ayé ẹ̀ ọ̀nà náà tó yàwó mà ìyẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀kú ẹ̀ka wọ̀ hàn ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ tìbù zàdí ọmọ zà ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀kẹ́ kúmọ̀ dáńsọ̀ ẹ̀dọ̀ náà ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀dùn ọ̀kọ̀ òtù ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́ yẹ́n náà wọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ wọ̀ ẹ̀dùn yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn tó ọ̀pọ̀ kẹ́ àpẹẹrẹ ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀ náà ewúrẹ́ ká ẹ̀dẹ̀ yẹn wá. Bẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹ̀ máa ń bọ̀. Dèjà ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa yẹ kí ẹ̀wọ̀n kẹ́kẹ́ yẹ ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀wù kẹ́. Àwọn tó ń jẹ́ ọ̀gá àgbọ̀ rẹ̀ yẹ̀wù wá na hospital. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n yẹ àwọn ẹ̀wù kẹ́ ewúrẹ́ ká ọ̀rẹ́ ká. Ewúrẹ́ ká ní sẹ́ ẹ̀wù yẹn ọ̀sùn àzọ̀ ní hàn. Bàbá yìí wọ́n ẹ̀wù ẹ̀sọ̀. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀wù àtọwọ́ sẹ́yìn sí ya. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ wọ̀ na ọkọ ọwọ́ ẹ̀dí ẹ̀kẹ́rẹ́ la ẹ̀dẹ́ ọ̀sọ́ ẹ̀kẹ́ iye gbẹ̀rẹ̀ kọ̀. Wọ́n kò tí bẹ̀kẹ́ ní ọmọ bá gbé àwọn ọmọ. Mo ti dé ìwé ní ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ tí ẹ̀dẹ́ kọ̀ ẹ̀rìn sẹ́yìn ní sí ẹ̀sọ́. Àwọn sísun ló ń bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀sọ́ ẹ̀yìn. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwé náà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ìdẹ̀kọ́ tí yẹ ní ẹ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀rí ẹ̀kẹ́ àwọn sọ́sọ́ orí ẹ̀ka lọ́gbà. Lọ́wọ́ ọdún ní ẹ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀rí ẹ̀kẹ́ tó lò dá. That's where I told you. But the hospital first. Here, the hospital. And we are saying in the prayer. The second prayer, here is the group. They are about to gather. They are buying zero. But the horses, they are one to in them. Tell them that while they are in they will get to the hospital. You got to report about them. But our problem is that my name will care. Nation or in Zali and we get to the whole of the run, then another hospital. The person should appear up to that. Don't walk in that or the good money near Fonsu. About I can say, hospital. I was a if I ever put yes, get the bouquet and the seller is what I made. I will then. There be a battle. My name is hospital. Yes. And second, zero eight work in there. About others, and the Bible area. Now, only one day, every Jesus is one way. Jesus is another hammer. That's when you are open and also open to you. Jesus said, oh, what the only open never done. Ma, I'm going to the that is it. No, I'm going to get this as a man soon. I'm okay. Get up on that. Now, about it. This is okay. I don't know. The king cannot make it. Say, I want to know person. I don't know how to know person here. For the wedding, I'm in the hospital. Let me go on Bible. Now, I have to have some soon. Hospital first. But in the night, they can't go to the night. The head hospital, I'm going there. Hospital, yes. You may have a moment, but let us see. We have to tell us.
Yo, Malibala, Nana only, and the number of the other. Now, you are the year I have. Because you read your canal. Over because it's so moving. I'm not asking you. But in the moment, I'm not afraid that we cover by the other person. So why are you telling me? I should have played the youth government now for Kaya. But I can not go with that answer. You might go so too. The personality woman. Let's say that. Let me know my way from my mother. But I'm not about. But you can see that you didn't be a fire affair. Masaruko Ayazra. But you said the way on the waiting, but I don't know. The people of the whole love you want. I will be a one of them. The people of the whole hospital in Lamba, in Sedan. It's more than I ever put money in. It's another information on checking the I think in the next 30 or 45 minutes, there will be that evening. The man be your praise Petra, your penny, or short around. It's your fancy one thing share.